Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a footer in the WordPress Astra theme. First, log into your WordPress dashboard and find the Appearance menu. From there, click on Customize to open the WordPress customizer. Once inside, look for the Footer Builder option. This is where all the magic happens for designing and configuring your website's footer area. It's a straightforward process to get started. Once in the footer builder, you can begin by choosing a layout that suits your site's needs. Astra offers several flexible options. You can easily drag and drop various elements, such as widgets, copyright text, or even a custom menu, directly into your footer sections. Plus, you have the power to adjust the number of columns, from 1 to 4, giving you precise control over the structure. Now, let's add some actual content to your footer. You can easily insert different widgets, like a navigation menu to help users find important pages, or social media icons to connect with your audience. Customizing the copyright text is simple, ensuring your site's information is accurate. For more advanced users, there's also the option to add custom HTML or shortcodes, offering immense flexibility for unique content. Finally, it's time to make your footer visually appealing. Astra provides extensive styling options, allowing you to modify colors, typography, and spacing to perfectly match your brand's aesthetic. Remember to check how your footer appears on different devices, ensuring it's fully responsive. Once you are completely satisfied with your design and content, simply click the Publish button to save all your changes and make your new footer live on your website.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.